ज्ञानमयी ज्योतिर्मयी मरियम तू दयामयी मरियम तू दयामयी मरियम तू दयामयी.
Hi, I'm Miss Rashmi Davis. Hello students, welcome back to the third video. What are we going to study today? Let's see. Today we are going to study which dates. Students, already we have studied in the previous video. Last video you have to compare with this video. What did we study? How important are dates? How important are dates? How much importance we have to give to dates, that depends upon an individual perspective. Now suppose your birthday becomes important for you, but my birthday becomes important for me. And in the previous video we saw two types of style, right? One event based and one date centric. These two events we had seen in the previous video, and how much importance to be given, that we are supposed to learn from this video. Okay, which dates? History is not all about dates, but dates do play very important role. Which dates? Dates depends upon events. Dates depends upon event. Event is when whenever, suppose for example, if we take American Revolution. American Revolution historians who are writing American Revolution, they will only write about American Revolution. They will not focus on the Indian Revolution. Will they write about non-cooperation movement? Will they write about Independence Day? No. So, if the focus is changing from the date-centric to event-based, then the whole thing will get changed. Now, the historians of India, if they write about our non-cooperation movement, they will not include about any other place, any American Revolution or Russian Revolution, nothing they will add, right? If we change our focus of events and issue, subsequently the dates also will change. For example, history written by British historians would consider, what they will consider? Their classification will revolve around the British Governor General. They will talk only about Governor General, right? They'll talk only the whole revolution. If the historians of the Britishers, if they write about the history of India, they will only focus on the Governor General. Governor General 1 to the ending Governor General. All the Governor General they'll be mentioning. Indians and their activities will not be considered, or they don't have any role in the perspective which they have. But when we will write the history from Indian perspective, a new set of dates will become more important for us to know. You can see Warren Hastings. He is the first Governor General of India. And Lord Mountbatten, he is the last Viceroy of India. You have to learn it for 1 mark question, it will be asked. Warren Hastings, he is the first Governor General of India. And Lord Mountbatten, he is the last Viceroy of India. So here we just now only saw the classification. When we are talking about the historians who are writing about the whole history of India, their main focus will be on Governor General of British. They will not focus on any other thing, correct? Their classification will revolve around the British Governor General, and their perspective will be around the Britishers. They will not consider Indians or their activities or their livelihood or what they produce and eat. Nothing will be in consideration. So as we change the perspective, okay, as our focus changes from one place to the other, that is when the whole set of dates will become important for us to know and to learn. Hope students, you all have understood with this video. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye.